Does your homemade shampoo also turns out to be thin and watery? And whatever you do, it just leaves your hairs more frizzy and dry. I'll be sharing one simple trick how you can make your herbal hair shampoo at home thick like consistency like the market. The same condition I was also facing when I was just searching on YouTube's and Google for some thick shampoo, but no one is telling me that how to make it thick like consistency like we get it in the market. Let's understand which kitchen ingredient can actually turn this thickness into a market-like consistency. When shampoo is very watery or thin, it slips out of our fingers and it is very hard to lather it. When it is applied on the hairs, we don't even know that properly hair are washed or not. Plus, when it is overly used, it just dries out our hairs. Every market Ayurvedic shampoo is loaded with harmful chemicals, preservatives, and so much fragrance, which actually harms your hairs from the roots to the ends. And whenever there are some colored hairs, it just damages the hair more than it benefits. So let's understand what we are using in this video so that you can make it at home. Let's start with the process. So firstly, I'm taking Amla, Reetha, Shikakai, Rosemary and Fenugreek seeds. I'll be just keeping it overnight, and in the morning I'll just rub gently it with my hands. In this big bowl, I'll be just putting 1/3 of the water, and once it is hot, I'll put all my overnight soaked bowl ingredients into this water. Now you can see it is full. I'll keep it boiling, and when 1/3 of the water is evaporated, I'll just turn my gas off. I also added hibiscus leaves while soaking it. In this, I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Rice flour will give us natural thickness, plus I'm also using flaxseed to make it more thick. So 2 ingredients I'm using for thickness, that is flaxseed and rice flour. Next, I'll be just boiling it down. Once I see the thick consistency, I just turn the gas off, and now my shampoo is ready. Now it's time for the secret ingredient. I'll be putting 3 spoons glycerin in this and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Glycerin will add shine and will give natural moisture to my hairs. Plus, apple cider vinegar will help me to elongate the life of my shampoo. Once it is cooled down, we'll transfer this in the bottle and use it. Things to remember. I just want to tell you certain things that you should remember while making this up, because sometimes after seeing so many videos, we are just confused and we overload our shampoos with a lot of things extra. So I would like to keep my shampoo a little better and loaded with simple ingredients. If you have so much dandruff, if you have the problem of dry scalp, you can use neem in this while boiling it. Please don't use any fragrance oil, because for sure the fragrance oil is made up of certain chemical ingredient to give more fragrance to your shampoo, but it is not natural. So for keeping it natural, we are just using simple ingredients from our kitchen. I like putting essential oil, but here I'm not putting essential oils also, because everything I'm using natural. So save this video for later. Whenever you are making herbal shampoo at home, make sure each ingredient you are using in the proper quantity. Thank you.